Hello my good people, welcome again to my YouTube channel where we cook, eat and hustle. And today we are going to cook some pilau. My son and my daughter have just asked me to do it. I'm just from work and it's almost 6 and we are going to eat this for dinner. So guys, please come in with me and let us cook together. Yay! Oh, so the first thing we do is heat our pan as kama kawaida, then we add some vegetable oil, enough to cook all your onion, because remember we are going to use a lot of onion to give our pilau the color. We wait for the oil to heat up, so yeah, then we add the onions. Yeah, so our vegetable oil is now heated up. We just add our onions. And we wait for our onion to cook until they are golden brown in color. So our onion have become golden brown. So we just add our paprika, salt, chili, all those kind of seasoning. And this is our pilau masala. We add it as well. Then koroga. We also add our ginger and our tomato paste. Then we mix. Then we add our pre-cooked beef. We add it like that. Then give it a good mix. I can feel the aroma. What's it called? The aroma. Maybe take it in different angles. Then we add our 3 cups of rice. Yeah. We add our 6 cups of water. Because mchele yetu ilikuwa 3 cups, so ni 3 times 2 equals 6. And then leave it for a while. Take it. Thank you guys for cooking me. That's the end of our video today. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like all my videos. And until next time, bye bye. Let's see how it tastes.